I want to talk about knowledge. In Tamil, we call Arivu. What is knowledge for you? Can you give me some definition of knowledge?
Something that you can acquire, something that you can work hard and acquire knowledge.
Okay.
Study or research.
Something that we attain after knowing about something in depth. Knowledge.
Normally, the knowledge is concluding by individual based on their experience. They will either physically or mentally or spiritually, they will go through certain experience, and multiple times when they go through this, they save that and they address as knowledge. Can you? Okay. Now, in knowledge, in our language, we have divided into three. One is Arivu. The second one is Tiricharivu. And the third one is Taram Tiricharivu. That means Arivu means knowledge, Tiricharivu means identified knowledge, and Taram Tiricharivu means independently identified knowledge. Translation, direct translation. Independently identified knowledge. So there are three stages of knowledge in our